see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Jayla Koriyan. If you're new, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you never miss the upload. I'm super excited because I don't have any weekend luggage. And when I say weekend luggage, when I think of a weekend trip, I'm either going for 2 to 3 days. It's a quick trip, maybe even 1 day. It's in and out. So when I'm traveling, I carry 2 pieces of luggage minimum, okay? I pack my shoes, my clothes, my bags, my perfumes, my makeup, my hair care, everything goes in there. And I'm staying on the trip for like maybe 5 to 7 days. So of course I'm packing day and night outfits, all these outfits. However, I do not have any like type of weekend bag, any type of like flued out bag. Like, okay, you know, you're flown out and then, you know, you're only there for maybe like 1 or 2 or 3 days, like those type of bags. Maybe you want to go to Miami, or maybe you want to go to Houston, like just a quick trip, or maybe you're going to see Beis, or maybe it's an overnight bag to see Beis. I don't have a Beis, but maybe you do. So I needed one of these bags just in case any of those things happen. Maybe a trip like that just comes up and somebody calls me and they're like, oh, we're here for the weekend, and I can say, yeah, I'm coming. So when I was looking online for the perfect weekend type of bag that I could fit all the things that I need inside, I came across this company called Beis. And Beis is owned by Shay Mitchell. She is a YouTuber and actor. She is on Pretty Little Liars. I actually have not watched the show, but as I was researching the company, I found all of her social media and I took a deep dive and I was like, ooh, I like her. So Beis is a luggage company. You can get luggage from there, any type of travel bag, and she also has things for mom. She's a mom, and they have really cute like diaper bags and stuff on there. But I was on the site for more so the work totes and stuff, so I wanted to go ahead and jump on here and show you guys what I got from her company. And I'm super excited because I think that this is perfect, the perfect thing for what I need. So I have my handy dandy knife here. This is my box that my pieces came in. I'm going to go ahead and open it up. So all my travel pieces came in this box and they're wrapped up like this. I can't wait. Oh my god. Okay, I am going to pull out the work tote first because I think this is perfect. Sometimes I like to get away and not work inside my house. You guys know I work from home, but sometimes I want to bring my laptop, bring my camera, and any other type of equipment, notebooks, notepads, because I'm a notebook person. This is the work tote. I'm super excited. Look. Okay, I got it in this crocodile print. Oh my god, I love it so much. It's huge. It's perfect. Okay, so you guys see the material already. Love it. It looks luxury. It looks rich. It looks, you know, this is my work tote. I am working. Everything should be able to fit in here that I need. So let's see the inside. I'm gonna take the scissors and cut this off because I just want you guys to be able to see fully. But I'm so excited about this bag because I don't have anything like this. Like, I carry a book bag, but that's not cute. We're grown. We need cute stuff walking around. Boom. So this is my new work tote that I'm super excited about. I love the material with this crocodile print. I feel like it looks really luxury, really expensive. You know, it's really sturdy. As you can see, it's not like going anywhere. I love that it's like structured. It has thin straps, and when I put it on, I can have it on my shoulder or I can just hold it. So I like that. So this is the front of it. When I flip it to the back, on the back it has this pocket right here, and it has a zipper that maybe you could put some business cards. I love that you can put your phone in right here. I feel like that's the thing that I grab to the most when I'm traveling. I don't want it inside. I kind of want it to have a pocket. And then also say that this is your bag that you want to bring on top of your suitcase. It does have an additional zipper down here that lets you put your bag on the luggage strap. So like, you know, your luggage pulls up, you can put this on. It's like a little pocket that holds the handles and it will stay on. So I really like that. Or you can just close it right on up if you don't need that, and you know, it's a pocket. So I really like that. On this side of the bag, it is an additional pocket to put some things, maybe your lip gloss or something, whatever your go-to stuff in there. And then on this side, it is another pocket, but this one zips and you can put things in it like that. I love this bag already. Let's open it up. This is what the zipper looks like. Open it up, have some stuffing in here that they put. Okay, so let's dig into what is inside this bag. So on the inside, this is the back side of the bag. On the back side, it also has a laptop sleeve, and the actual like latch thing right here is in the crocodile print, and I really like that. It's in that leather. So you have a section that you can put your laptop in, and it is padded. Also, I see a section that you can put like 2 pens in here, and then on the front side it's another zipper that zips open and you can put some things in here. So in the inside it has another little space where you can put some stuff. Oh my god, this is perfect. I can put my computer in here. I can put my phone, my chargers, my phone stand, because I love having my phone on like a little stand, my hard drive, any extra stuff, my mini tripod. If I'm bringing my big camera will also fit in here. This to me is the perfect work bag that I can bring all of the things that I need, my notebooks and stuff. Everything can fit in here and I can work from anywhere. Oh, also it does come with a big strap that can be put on your shoulder. It looks like this, and you can hook it on like this, and now you can actually hold it with cushion on your arm like this. If it gets pretty heavy. With all the things that I said that I needed in my bag for an actual work day, I could imagine that getting a little bit heavy. But I love this bag. I think it's the perfect work bag. I'm so freaking excited about this. The next thing that I got looks like this. I'm going to open her up. It kind of looks like a little lunch box. This is the Cosmetic Bag, and with this bag, I just wanted something that I could travel with, that my travel makeup like stayed in the bag, you know? So this is my official travel makeup bag. You zip her open like this. When you open her up, it has this slot right here. It has another piece like this. It has a zipper. And inside of this zipper is a mirror. So it's a mirror like this. Listen, because when I'm doing my makeup and I'm traveling, sometimes the mirrors aren't the greatest, and you just need to sit down and have a mirror to do your makeup. This is how the mirror looks in the Cosmetic Bag. You open her up and it can sit on a desk like this, so you can do your makeup. And this is going to stay in my bag. This is perfect. It already has its little slot that it can go into. Boom. So I always have a mirror when I'm traveling and doing my makeup. All your makeup can fit down here. This folds on top. Now right here, this is for your makeup brushes. So brushes can go into here. This is what it looks like. Something is sliding to here. I don't know what, whether it be like, I don't know what I put up here, but definitely a few makeup brushes will go right here, and then your makeup goes into here in the mirror. So I thought that was really nice. Let me see if this fits perfectly inside the work tote. Fits inside, doesn't take, takes up like half of the room at the bottom, but you still have so much other room, you know, and the laptop will still fit in. Say that on one of my work days, I also need to bring my makeup, or say I have a photo shoot that I need to bring my laptop camera and a few different extra outfits or something, and some makeup. This is perfect. I think that would be a good bag to bring to shoots. Okay, so that was my work tote and my cosmetic bag, but I still needed a bag that I could go on weekend trips with. I needed something that I could get away with, and it would allow me to put things in it, like shoes, clothes, like those type of things. So I got another bag, and on the bag it says, get lost, find yourself, repeat. So I really love just what this company stands for, and I'm super excited about my new pieces from them. Let's get into this next bag. Now, it folds up like this, and this is the Weekender bag. So it looks like this folded down. However, when you fold it up, the weekend bag looks like this. Super excited to have this bag. So on the bottom, it has this separate section that I really liked. So when you unzip it, this is what it looks like in the inside. Take that out, and this is where you are able to put your shoes. Your shoes are separate from your things inside the bag. So I really like that. I was like, dang, okay, I can have some sneakers, some sandals, like, you know, this is just for the weekend. You're supposed to be able to pack light, and I know I don't know how to pack light, but by having this size bag, it will help me be able to not overpack, because I can only pack what I'm gonna wear. Only pack what I'm gonna wear, and then also pack shoes that can go with my outfit, you know? know? So whether I have one pair of heels in here and then my everyday shoes or whatever shoes that I'm wearing can go with the outfits that I have in here. So that means I have to really utilize my closet and make sure that I'm having, you know, clothes that can go with the selection of shoes that I'm able to bring for the 2 or 3 days, you know? So I really like that section that you are able to have some shoes. It does have this pocket right here that you can put something in, whether it be your passport, your ID, your wallet, anything right here can go that needs to be easy access. Let's flip it over to the back. On the black, yes, this is black. They also have this in nude. All of these pieces, they have it in nude or black. I went with the black. I feel like I'm a black girl and I get things dirty very fast. Let's be clear. But on the back, it has this other pocket. Like I said, I like to use these pockets and stuff for my phone because I keep taking my phone out, headphones, whatever. And then also, this has a zipper at the bottom that if you are traveling with your actual luggage going to the airports and stuff, it can go on the handles and not move around, and then you can just pull your luggage. So I really like that. Okay, let's get into the inside of this bag. So the inside of this bag looks like this, and you can pop her open and she's just can store a lot in the inside. What I love about this is they really care about us working women, you know, people who travel a lot and work a lot as well, because we need our laptop to go somewhere. My laptop is always with me. So the weekend bag does have a spot where you can put your laptop in. So say, you know, I need to go, pack some stuff in here. I'm headed to the airport, but I'm only going for a short amount of time, but I don't want to bring my life and I want it to be condensed down into, you know, one bag. This is perfect. I can have my shoes, I can have my laptop, a few different things, and I'm ready to go. So it has a laptop slot. On this side, it has a zipper that some more stuff can be put in, and 2 pockets. This should hold a lot of stuff. You know, it should definitely have me covered for 2 to 3 days. Can the makeup bag fit? Yes, it can. Actually, it lays flat down like that. So my makeup can go in here, my brushes can go in here, shoes can go at the bottom, my laptop can go in here. I need to pack some clothes, some panties, some pajamas. It does have enough slots that I can slip some, you know, just extra things in there, maybe my jewelry. I am super excited about this bag. I for sure needed it. It was a need. So this is the weekender bag, and this is for your trips on the weekend, if you're getting flown out, if you're going with your girlfriends. If Beis said just be ready, we're going on a 2-day trip, just pack something and bring a bag. This is the bag. This is the bag, okay? Listen, I know you guys thought that I probably don't have any more pieces, but I felt like I needed one more thing, and this is my next piece. And I just feel like I'm so used to having a book bag that I had to get a new book bag. My book bag now is like this pink color, and it looks dirty because light pink gets dirty so fast. So I was like, I need a black book bag that I can just bring. I love it. So this is Shay right here with her luggage. So cute. Okay, so this is the Beis book bag, and it's just a regular black. I love the black leather on it and on the pocket. So you have a big pocket right here. Now, the reason why I needed a book bag is because I've just been carrying book bags all my life. Jayla, stop it. But no, I actually like book bags. Let me know in the comment section, what type of bag are you? Are you more like a tote bag, or are you a book bag person? I just feel like if I'm on the go, I just throw it in my book bag. So what I'm used to is when I travel, I will check 2 luggages, and then I will carry my backpack on the plane, and then my backpack has my laptop and all those types of things. So I just felt like I needed one, but I am more so now gravitating towards like my work tote, or just having the weekender bag with me as my carry-on and not having a book bag. But I just didn't know, with the transition into my more smaller bags and lighter travel gear, what I would want. So I wanted to make sure that I also got the book bag as well, so you guys can see it too. Yeah, it's just your preference on what you like. So let's unzip. So it is a pretty big size bag. It has 2 zippers on the top, which I really like. The first zipper right here is for your laptop. I love the laptop sleeve. Always bringing my laptop, like I said. So we have the laptop sleeve that's separate. The back of this has the flap that allows you to put it on your luggage and just go. Love that. And then unzipping the front part, this is how much space is fits in here. Has a lot of space, has 2 zippers right here for you to put things, and then the zipper at the front. And it has the 2 little cubby slots that you can put stuff in on the sides. Yes, this part has slots where you can put like pins in. This is perfect. All right guys, so those are the 3 bags that I got from Beis. I'm gonna stand up so you guys can see how they actually look on and like the size of them, like in comparison to like me, you know? So standing up, we'll start with the work tote. She looks like this, and when I put her on my shoulder, this is how she is. This is how she'll feel like walking around, going into the coffee shop or whatever, you know, wherever you decide to work at that day. This is the size of her. Really like her. This is the bag with the strap. This is, you know, where it kind of hits. This is adjustable. Yeah, you can make it looser. It will go this long and hit you right there. I like it to hit maybe a little bit more at my waist. If I adjusted it all the way down as much as I could, this is where it would hit. It would kind of hit right where I want it to hit, what I would feel comfortable walking around. So cute. I love, love, love this bag. Love it. Next is the weekender bag. This is what it looks like when I'm holding my bag. Definitely feel like it will fit everything that I need in here. This is how I would be holding my bag, walking around. Okay, let's go guys. We're going somewhere for the weekend. Get my bag, you know. It's not like crazy big, so when you arrive, it's just like, you know, I'm here for a few days, that's all. This is where the bag falls with the strap. I would have to actually tighten the strap a little bit more. Like I said, I like my bags to fall at my hip if I'm holding it like that. So I kind of adjusted it down to like the furthest it'll go. And then that's where I would kind of have my bag. Okay, and then lastly, this is the book bag. It's nothing in it, so it's just kind of flat. But this is typically me when I travel. I just have my book bag on. You know, sometimes book bags work better for whatever you're doing. I want to make sure I had a book bag as well. This is what she looks like. Of course, with more stuff in it, it won't look so crazy, but this is what the book bag looks like. So guys, these are the new bags that I got. I hope I gave you guys some insight if you've been seeing this brand around and eyeing some of the pieces. I'm really excited about them. The quality is really good and I cannot wait to put them to use. Let me know in the comment section, which bag would you get? Would you get the work tote, the weekender, or the book bag? Let me know what type of girl you are, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.